Hi, yet again I am Asif Iqbal and I am going to give you a demonstration of your invoice. As much of the fields are very explicit and clear, therefore I am not going to give you sufficient time to them. Just like you can enter here invoice number, next the date, that is today date with the format you demanded, and this is order number, this is again date, for example today, payment cash, I don't know this PO, so I put some number. Here is AI series Mardan, and email addresses, for example king of Mardan 1 at gmail.com. Phone number is any phone number, for example this one, like shipping address somewhere in New York, and email address is some someone right up somewhere.com. Phone number is testing again. Okay, this is the portion, sorry for that. This is the portion that I have created for you. Now I am going to give you the main demonstration of this portion. Here is the total. In this case I have written shipping charges 100 rupees. So this is the total, and this is the VAT, shipping charges, subtotal and total. Let's check it from the very beginning. First of all, there is SKU, name, bin number, price, quantity and total. So you can choose SKU with the three different methods. The first one is, if you click here at the A11 and then you press key enter from your keyboard, then it will give the list. Then you can move down with your key with your cursor keys, arrow keys, or you can select it with the help of the mouse. So I am selecting this SKU. So here is one note is that as it is getting data automatically from the data sheet, and data sheet has too many data, therefore you will have to give that some time, because it will get its name, bin number, price, and here it will implement a formula. In the next one, this is the first method if you want to select with the help of enter key. The second method is, if you want to select with the help of the tab key, then press enter here and come down any product that you want and select with the help of tab key, press tab key here. Okay, the next third method is if you want to use your mouse, double click in this cell and all the list is going here, going to show here, and you can click any SKU. And the next one is, if you want to types name of the SKU, SKU of any product, it will automatically give you the option to complete it. For example, I am pressing W, so it give me only the product from the starting with W, and I am selecting this SKU. It will automatically choose its corresponding components. Okay, the most important thing is it will give you this alternate color, white and gray, to separate product from each other, and then important thing is it will automatically find its sum, its VAT, and give you the total, and also give it in the words. For example, in this case I don't know this product I purchase 434, or I sell, I don't know you are selling it or purchasing it 56. So the total is 648. Shipping is 0. For example, if you want to say shipping is 100 euros or 100 sterling, and you want to reduce it by 15%, so it will calculate the total, and also then the number, the total in the words. The next important thing is as you are going to type, then it will automatically push this portion down, because as we do not know at this point that how many products you want to enter in this invoice. Therefore you are free to enter any number of products. As long as you are entering the products, it will automatically go down. Okay, another important thing is sometimes it is possible that it is taking longer than usual, because it is verifying each and everything from the data sheet, and also it is validating the data. Therefore it is taking a longer time. For example, in some cases, if you notice that it left a blank row, so if it is this a case, so you do not need to worry about it. It will automatically fill it first. It will check that whether this data is correct. And another important thing is it is valid. Is it is valid. If it is valid and correct, then it will insert it here. Otherwise it will give you an error that you cannot insert such sort of data. So all the test it is checking, therefore it is taking some time. And another thing is, whenever I enter data here, this portion, as I said earlier, this portion will go down. So if for example I enter data here, this portion, this total portion will go down. Okay, another point is it is taking time at my computer, because at this time my PC has 4 GB RAM. Maybe you have higher RAM, therefore higher the RAM, it will take lesser the time. So it is quite possible that it is taking less time than your computer than mine. Okay, next is print issue. Let's check that what is the print issue. So the print issue is if you want to print it, then press Ctrl plus P, or if you are using Mac, then Command plus P. It giving you this print overview. If you want to print it, then you can click on the next and it will print. As I at this point I do not have a touch printer with this computer, therefore it convert this sheet into PDF. Therefore at this point this is not my intention. Okay, this is the print. For some reason, if you do not like it, or if you want to print it portrait in a portrait form, then it is also a portrait form, but there are two columns that are going down, and it will not correct. Okay, another thing is, if you want to set its if you want to set its margins, then you can set it. For example, I am taking the narrow margin. It will automatically go to narrow, wide, or custom margin. In this case, you can take the custom margin as much as you want. So these are the custom margin, but however I am recommending you that you should left it normal, and you should take your print on the landscape, because it is perfect for your case. As long as you are going to to enter new data, this total will go down and it will automatically calculate it here, and this first sheet will be filled, then it will automatically jump to the second sheet, and so on. Okay. This is about the print. So if you want to print it, and if you want to save it as a PDF, both are the case are same. Okay, the next thing is, if you want to clear all these things, then do not select and clear directly. Click here in the tools, then come down to this macros, and the macros menu, click on this clear data. Once you clear data, so wait for some time that until it show you the message at this bottom right here. Now this is the message, and it is clear all the data from this portion and as well as from this portion, except for this shipping charges, which is 100. If you want to clear it also, then you can put it 0, and if you want to change this, so you can do it. Okay, so there is some question. Your last question was that whether you can change this or not. So of course you can change this value, and you can you do not need to insert or delete data manually. For example, right clicking here and insert or delete row or insert or delete column, and I strongly recommend you that do not use this practice, do not perform this practice, because my program will give you an error and I have calculated for the given environment. So do not worry if there are few rows, as long as you are typing here it will automatically going down, unless and until you want to enter the SKUs it will go down. When you stop, then it will automatically also stop, and once you clear the data, so it will go down, come back to its original position. So that's it from me. If you have any issue, any problem, you are most welcome. Now I am submitting an Excel file on the Fiverr. Please complete my order, and I will give you unlimited number of revision. Mean that if you anytime, if you facing any sort of problem, or if you need any LIO preview or LIO class from me, so I am ready for the Zoom app. So please complete this order and give me a review. Thank you very much.